Hmm. So I got that thing that some kind of people over here has lost something. What they have lost? What they have lost? They have lost nothing. ये मैं जो देख ही जाएगा और उसके बाद कुछ पत्ते भी खोल के जाएगा तो all their life these people will be control over the what do you call it, at least they will be control of their life and no one could control them, and the one who are the ugly bastards of west चेंबूर वेस्ट, देखो वो चोर है, हाँ, पेपर चोरी ड्राइव चोरी ये सब ये उनका धंधा है, ब्लैकमेल ये सब। अब मामला क्या है मालूम है क्या, बंगलो और गाड़ी का मुझे लगता है दे हैव ब्लेम शिफ्ट ऑन हु, पीपल फ्रॉम हु आर ऑन माई साइड। I don't know who is on my side. I guess they must have blame shift. समझे तुम? They must have blame shifted. I don't know who is on my side or I am alone. I don't know. But they feel like I saw that thing that the Iron Man has lost something. So the Iron Man, I am telling you, you didn't lose anything, and I am not that Captain America. What do you call it? Me, I am, what do you call it? Run solo. Which guy runs solo? John Rambo. Yeah. No, I am nothing, Bencho. I am myself. Huh? So, you people have lost nothing. I have few cards. Don't worry. I'll open those cards in time. I have my gangster squad. The cast, the real cast from the content. I have that too. I just have to make that call. Don't worry. Then what do you call it? Look, those guys are from the some Chembur people might contact them too, but it doesn't matter. Why, you know, those are my friends living. We had that time together, and what do you call it? Bad stuff has happened to me because of who? The opposite party. Hmm? And my friends are my friends, don't worry, I just have to make that call. And next, what do you call it? Blame shifting of the bungalow and car thing. Look, the bungalow and car thing is not for people, uh, what do you call it, who are from my side. Why would they do this? If anyone is on my side, why would they do this? Why will they take from me when I am helping them? They will not. Because they will make their own bungalows and own cars. They got that opportunity, na Baba? They'll make their own bungalows, own cars. I'm giving them clearance. So they will make their own stuff. But the matter is, if anyone is feeling that they have lost something, they have lost nothing, I will give the court clearance and what do you call it? Plus few cards, you can fight any biggest bastard of this planet. Don't worry. There are few cards. Don't worry. And plus, I'll manage my gangster squad. And the car and bungalow thing is the real bastard who did it, who likes to snatch properties and their belongings. Who are they? Who damaged my property in Mumbai? Who? Handore people, right? Who are they? Guys from the West, right? Because of jealousy, right? That's the thing, right? Jealousy. Damaged my property, put hidden bugs, took surveillance over control, did the LAN server, changed drive, made nudes, lot of other stuff. Did murder attempt, did poisoning. Who did this? Who did this? West people, right? They cannot blame me for any kind of betrayal of some kind. They are the bastard who are who were like an insect into my ass and eating my shit. Doing this bad. Don't worry. I said you will get a proper clearance, proper ekdam. You can fight anyone. But it takes time. And if I hear anyone is getting cornered or bullied, directly I'll get a ticket and I'll send those people in foreign countries where my league is, where the frames are. So don't fucking mess with me. Don't bully anyone. I cannot stand this. मुझे करो ना, मेरे को क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? मेरे को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन मैं किया तो फिर रोने का नहीं. वुमेन एक्यूजेशन लगाने का नहीं. तुम्हारे मर्द को भी मारो तो 2022 और 2020 जैसा, समझा? झाड़ू डाले. So you people are winners, don't worry, but it's only that you don't know what it is. And the bungalow and the car thing, I have to give this because there are hidden bugs and people over here living here and supporting Handore people, West people. Getting this part? People, some are living over here and supporting West people, Handore people. You have your own rats. You have your own rats. Who demolished my house? Who demolished my house? Handore rats. Some people are living among you and you are there, what do you call it? Living among you, within you, and they are supporting Handore people, doing the land server, the hidden camera, and what do you call it? Lot more other stuff. Some greedy bastards who are not wealthy, who want to become wealthy. By what? By the hidden bugs. Hidden bugs is gonna make them wealthy. Chai, chigand. So, don't worry, no one has lost anything. Before I go, I'll give a proper thing. Everyone will have fun. Touch me, everyone will have fun. And I'll open a few cards which you can use in time, but tell the truth. If you don't tell the truth, then you will get fucked. The truth is the right way. And if anyone is getting bullied and buried somewhere, I'll directly get a ticket and send them to my league foreign countries and let them work. रोते बैठना फिर जिंदगी भर, समझा? मैं तुरंत जा नहीं सकता because I have to manage parents, my surgery, my detox session. I decided to do a detox session once more. Then hearing, surgery, post surgery, then detox session, settle parents, property, then कुछ लपड़ा झगड़ा वो भी देखने गए. तो मेरे सर पे जितना फिर इधर का क्लियरेंस, मेरे सर पे जितना काम है ना, किसी को नहीं. प्लस मेरा प्रैक्टिस भी करने गए. फिर मेरे को क्या बोलते हैं वो बैट टब का क्या बोलते हैं, वो सपने आ रहे हैं मेरे को ऑलरेडी होटल्स में. तो मेरे को बहुत काम है. So no one has lost anything, don't worry. I am the one who has lost everything. Face, work, और क्या? And what did I lose more? नहीं ना, और कुछ नहीं, इतना ही ना. देखिए